Hey guys, it's Gina. So we are in the car today. Here's Declan. He is 9 months old now. And we just wanted to talk about some stuff with your car seat, didn't we? So we have switched over to a newer Graco car seat. I will put a link to the one we have. Loving it though. I wanted to basically show you guys though Declan's how he's strapped in here. It's really important when you guys put your babies in to do the chest straps high enough. It actually looks a little bit lower than it is on him because I've got a drool bib under there. But how you should be able to tell if it's tight enough is 2 fingers should fit under here comfortably. And I like to put the pacifier clips up here, down here on one spot, and I put another one up higher, so just for guidelines sake. But as you can see, his feet aren't pushing up against the seat, but they're getting close. Where we live in Tennessee, we actually have a state law that your child has to be facing backwards. It's to reduce the chances of spinal cord injury. Their spinal cords aren't fully developed at this time. They have to face rear facing until they're 22 pounds and 1 year old. And since Declan's not 1 year old yet, he's still backwards. He's actually a little long. We had a different car seat before, which I'll show you in another video. It's in his daddy's car right now. The other car seat was just a little bit, kind of felt like he was very close in comparison to this one. And that's why I went ahead and switched him. This has an extended foot plate for when he turns around, and it'll make it so he can put his feet out since Declan's a little bit long for his age. But that's what we've got for right now. Let us know if you have any comments on just seatbelt placement.